Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I'm gonna show you this pattern. You can make baby blanket, scarf, you can make heart, whatever you want you can make. It's so easy pattern. Even beginner can make this pattern. So just multiple two, just make any even number chains for this pattern. You can see how it looks. When you finish, you should finish with this row with half double crochet. So you can see how edges not inside or outside, exactly the same. I hope you will like it. I will show you step by step. Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel RJ Crafts. I am RJ, you are watching RJ Crafts. So today I'm gonna show you a pattern very easy. You can make baby blanket, cardigan, whatever, scarf, whatever you want, but it's so easy. I hope you will like it. I'm using 4mm hook, double knitting yarn. You should read the yarn's label, then you follow the yarn label's hook size. So 1, 2. So this pattern multiple 2. So 1, 2. I have 4. I'm gonna make just 20. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you can use any and you can make 90 chains. Just two you should have even number. Okay, just make even number. Yarn over. I'm gonna make in third. Yarn over in third chain. So half. Yarn over next half double crochet. So over row I'm gonna make half double crochet. I'll show you at the end. Okay viewers, I am at the end. I made just half double crochet. How much? So if I'm gonna chain 2 here, count this one, I can't see. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. If you don't count this one, chain 2, then 18. If you count this, is I have 19. Okay, so I'm gonna make chain 2, chain 2. So we were here, yarn over. I'm gonna make not here this time. I'm gonna make in next, not this same ways. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna use back loop. Okay, same. I'm gonna make half, then make chain 1, yarn over, skip 1 next, but make in the back loop. Okay, like this. Chain 1, yarn over, skip 1, then next make half double crochet. Chain 1, yarn over, skip 1, make half double crochet. Chain 1, yarn over, skip 1, make half double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, make half. Chain 1, skip one, make half double crochet, chain one, skip one, make half double crochet, chain one, skip one, then make last one, take 2 loops, okay, 2 loops, make half, okay, you can see how it look like this pattern. Again chain 2. So in this pattern you always make chain 2, but always back loop. But this one I'm gonna make in this first stitch as well, back loop. So just half crochet each chain, okay, each one make half double crochet, don't miss any. Continue like this. Just always use back loop. Each chain, I will show you at the end. Okay viewers, I am at the end. I'm gonna take these 2 loops, okay, 2 loops, then make half crochet like this, then chain 2. I'm gonna make again this row, so this pattern will go 2 rows. Again yarn over, I'm gonna skip this one, first one, then next one I'm gonna make half, chain 1, yarn over, skip 1, sew in the back loop, chain 1, skip 1, in the back loop, chain 1, skip 1, make in the back loop, chain 1, skip 1, make in the back loop, chain 1, skip 1, chain 1, skip 1, chain 1, then last one I'm gonna make, okay, in the 2 loop, chain 2, you can see yarn over again this first, each stitch, don't miss anyone. So I'm gonna continue like this. I'm not gonna miss any. So last one, take 2 loops. So always no gonna be same straight edges, no going to be wrong edges, okay, should have same edges. Chain 2, yarn over, miss first one, chain 1, skip 1, again chain 1, skip 1. So continue like this. I'll show you at the end now. Chain 1, skip 1. So I hope you understand now. I will show you at the end now. Okay viewers, yeah, I'm gonna again explain to you really well. I made chain 2, yarn over. It's pretty good if you always count. So I have 2 now. First when I made 19, okay, include this chain 2. So always you should, whatever you mount you made with this half double crochet, you should keep same. I have 2 now, don't miss anyone. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, then 19, and 1. Chain 2, turn my work. So like this you can't be wrong. Yarn over. I'm not gonna make this first one miss. Next one, make half crochet, chain 1, miss 1, skip 1, then make chain 1, skip 1, skip 1, skip 1, skip 1, chain 1, skip 1, then end 1, make like this. So what I'm gonna show you, so how you can keep the same mount. Always be careful to, when you make any project, always I made this 10 first one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So always I kept 10 this, then 19 when I made this row. So whatever you mount make, keep same. That's why it's not gonna be wrong edges. Otherwise inside outside can't be, you can make wrong. So it's pretty good pattern. Look this way, so soft pattern. Whatever you want to make, I hope you will like this pattern. If you like, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for nice compliment.